Welcome to your Caretech Application Kit SU Assemble and Use video. We know time is always short when you need to clean before the next cargo, but it's important to get right to keep your equipment in good working condition every time. This equipment uses the inlet hose to suck cleaning chemicals from a barrel into a pump, which is connected to the ship's compressed air system for operation. With a pressure of up to 8 bar, the liquid leaves the pump and is transported through a 3 to 8 meter long telescopic lance before being sprayed onto the holds of bulk vessels. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Kit Checklist. Step 2. Assembly. Make sure the mesh filter piece reaches the bottom. Step 3. Using the kit. You should hear a flip-flop sound caused by the membranes moving back and forth. Please beware. You should never use the pump and hoses to apply liquids that are over 50 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Keeping safe when using the kit. You must always take extra care when working with dangerous chemicals. Always consult the product safety data sheet and/or safety information on the label. When applying the chemicals, ensure there are no unprotected colleagues or visitors within the same hold. Beware that under windy circumstances, the spray can spread 50 meters or further. Make sure you know the position of the emergency shower. Some chemicals like hydrochloric acid can cause strong fumes, which requires breathing filters to work safely. Step 5. Disassembling the equipment. To keep your equipment in optimum condition, it's important to rinse all the hoses and pump with water before disassembling. This is best done by immersing the chemical suction hose in a barrel of seawater. Let the pump run for 15 minutes. Step 6. Safe storage of equipment. The hoses need to be rolled up to keep them in working condition. When storing the hoses, make sure they are never put in risk of damage, especially from heavy objects. Always retract the telescopic lance back to its 3-meter length. And that's it! For further assistance, do not hesitate to contact any of our marine care support staff.